Hey guys, this is Kayan of SD. Today we're working with the Sibat Bangkaw Filipino spear or staff or long stick. So the long stick is extremely fun. We use it as a great training tool to learn how to generate power through the transverse movements, the rotational movements. We also use it as, just like double stick, as a form of developing ambidexterity, because we use it for drills that are exactly the same on either side. The long stick is used as an impact weapon as well as a thrusting weapon. Thrusting being more devastating and more difficult to defend against. So let's get into the technique. So the first thing we're going to look at is the grip orientation. We have our staggered overhand and underhand grip, usually holding on to the rear of the weapon. For close quarters, we will hold it in the middle. Now we're going to work on the hand switch. So if I'm primarily right-handed, the right hand does not let go. Just slides back and forth. So why would we switch our grip? Well, you could hit from one side to the other, but as you can see, your arms can get crossed up and put you in a compromised position to lose your weapon. So that's why we do the hand switch. So the first footwork we're going to do is replacement stepping. So this is the rear replacement stepping, not the front replacement stepping. Stepping back and forward, stepping back and forward. This can also be considered as a narrow triangle step. Now for the strike, we're going to come straight down. For the left foot lead, it's going to be left hand lead. For the right foot lead, it will be right hand lead. The next step we're going to do is paiwas, also known as evasion step or the bullfighter step. And we're going to do that with a cruzada strike or a cross strike, downward diagonal, using the hand switch. This is the short form of this strike. Now for the long form of this strike, swinging around the head, doing the hand switch behind the head, and getting full torque. Now we're going to use a payong or umbrella block or roof block before the strike, using a paiwas step and hand switch. Now using triangle step, we're going to work on the thrust, hand switch, thrust, hand switch, thrust. In our other videos, you may have seen gulong, which just means wheel. It's a 4-strike horizontal to a diagonal or a vertical, horizontal to a diagonal or a vertical. So remember this pattern. Now we're going to do the exact same pattern with the long stick. You can use your shoulder as a launching point. You can also use your neck as a launching point. So in the gulong pattern, I'm using the paiwas step, the evasion step. I can use this same pattern going in one direction into a 360. This might be used with multiple opponents. Now we're going to do sungkit, which is a hook with the hand switch and paiwas step. Now sunkit with a redondo or circular strike. Now sunkit with a double redondo circular strike using the paiwas step. Now you can put all your basic strikes and your footwork together to develop your carenza. So if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see something in particular. Again, if you find this content valuable or you learned something, please consider a subscription, a like, comment, share, and we'll see you next time. Take care and thank you.